Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Chrysler 200. This midsize sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, rear view camera, driver vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.